Good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn a new matra and how to make words with this matra. Okay. So this matra is Badi E. We are already know Badi E ki matra. The Badi E ki matra is right like this way. Okay, like this. This is called Badi E ki matra. Then how to apply this matra to make words? Okay, how to apply this vowel to make words? Okay, for example, we want to write a word that Rani. How to write Rani? Then this R and the next sound is A. Ra. R, A, Ra. Then Na. Then E. Rani. This is Badi ki matra, na? So deep sound will come. Okay, in Choti E ki matra, that is low sound E, and this is E. So Ra, A, Ra, Na, E, Ni. Then now make the word. Ra, A. You already learned the A ki matra. How to write A ki matra? Write Ra and put this A ki matra. Then this word is Ra. This A is written as A ki matra. So Ra. Now write this Na consonant. Na. Then this E ki matra. How to write E ki matra? This is E ki matra. So this E is written as this E ki matra. Okay. So word is Ra, A, Ra, Na, E, Ni. Rani. Okay. Now another word we can write like Rani means what? Rani means queen. Rani means queen. Okay. For example, now another word we can write like Nani. How to write Nani? Na. Then which sound is there? Na, A, na. Na, A, na. Then na, E. Nani. Okay. Now write this word. Na, A. Write na as it is. Then in the place of this A, we put A ki matra. Okay. So A ki matra is how? A ki matra is like a standing line. So na, A, na. Then write this na, E, ni. So write this ni, na as it is, na. And this E as a matra. Please, Nani. Na, A, na. And the na, E, ni. Nani. Okay, Nani means like grandmother. Okay. Now, for example, another word we can think Kali. How to write Kali? Ka. Then A. Ka. Then La. Then E. Kali. Ka. A. Ka. Ka. Then in place of this A, put A ki matra. This is A ki matra. Then this La, write this La. And put this E ki matra. How to put this E ki matra? Like this. Okay. So ka, a, ka, la, e, li, kali. Kali means black. Okay. Now, if this E come at the first place, if this E, here you can see this E come at the, like we can say that is last place, here also in the last place, here also in the last place. But if this E come at the first place, then you should not write E ki matra, but you should write E. Okay, for example, eek. Eek means sugar cane. E, then kh. Eek. Okay, then here you should not write E ki matra because E is the first place. So write E as it is and then kh. Eek. Eek means sugar cane. It means if E come at the first place, you should write E as it is, and if this E come at any other place, second, third, last, any other place, you should put E ki matra. Okay, so I think you learned how to make word with Badi wali E ki matra. This is Badi E ki matra. Okay, so if any doubt or something, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, thank you.